Hello everyone and welcome to QuickCAD, and today we are going to see how we can create a simple chain in SolidWorks. Let's get started. Click on New, select Part File, click on any of this plane. I will select Front Plane, Sketch, click on this command and draw like this. Make sure you have selected this command. Then click on Smart Dimension and click on this center line and let's say 15 mm, and I want radius to be 5 mm. Click OK. Now go to features and select sweep boss base command and, and select circular profile, and I want diameter to be 3 mm and select this sketch. Click OK. Now our first step is completed. Now go to search bar, and inside search bar make sure you are in a command section and say and type flex. Inside flex command you have to select the body. First I will select body, then I will select twisting option, and I want it to be twisted by 90 degree. Click OK. Now our first chain is successfully completed, but we want series of chains, so we will draw one sketch on front plane. I will select spline command. I will draw spline like this and escape key to out. I will go to line and select center line and draw a center line like this. Escape key to out. I will select this, hold down control key and select this and make it tangent. I will again go to line command and draw center line like this. Escape key to out. I will select this as horizontal, and again I will select the center line and spline using and holding down control key and make it tangent. Now you can assign dimension like this. Let's say I want it to be as 150. I again want to be as, let's say, 120, and the length to be like 100. And you can select this line and origin, and let's say 75. And let's say we increase the length to be like 130. Okay, and click OK. Now our second sketch is completed. Now go to features and inside drop down select curve driven pattern. uh, the sketch is already selected. If you are not able to see the sketch selected, just click on this sketch. Now select the bodies command and select this body. Now you see our chain, our series of chain, but it is not well connected. See, it is there is lot of gap in between. So I will go to curve driven pattern, right click on it, edit feature. I will decrease the number of chains like this, and I will again click OK, and I will just hide all the sketches, and you see our chain is looking pretty good. And I hope you are also able to make the chain in SolidWorks. If you want to increase the length, just go to this sketch, edit this sketch, and you can increase the length like suppose let's say 150, let's say 200, and suppose we increase this also by 200, and we also increase this by 200, and we also modify the dimension like 120 and click OK. Now the chains are not well connected. Go to curves edits feature and increase the chains like this and press OK. Now you see we have in less than 30 seconds we edited this chain and increased the length. So I hope you are also able to make the chain in SolidWorks. If you are not able to make the chain, just put your problem in comment section and I will definitely solve your problem. And thank you for watching the video. Also, if you need any CAD freelancing services, just mail us at quickcad3@gmail.com.